Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's what alienation. Clear or not? So I hope all these ideas are clear for you people now, right? Okay, so can anyone brief this? The problem of Sri Lanka? Gauri,
Sir,
can you do that? Tell me.
sir, I forgot to bring. Sir, I am in my cousin, sir. I forgot to bring the thing down politics text.
Other senses like sixth sense, seventh sense, or something like that. Okay, here we want what? Just the common sense to understand the things there. Clear? That's enough. That's enough. Okay. So basically, we have to apply those ideas in our subject. So easily you are able to write those answers. But something you have to remember. Clear or not? The years. Okay. Instead of 15th August 1947, we got independence. Instead of that, you cannot write anything there. If you're writing so, it is just a story, not history or not political science. Clear or not? Understand? So anyway, history or political science answers will not start from once upon a time or long, long ago. Okay, it will not start like that. It will start like this. What? Okay, we got independence in the year 1947 in the month of August. The date is 15. Clear? Okay, so specified dates are there. Specified areas are there. Places are there. Okay, your no answers will start like this. What? Once upon a time, there was a king. Okay, no, it's very interesting stuff like that. If you write it, so that's the wrong one. It is considering as what do you can say? Something okay to a gimmick to get the marks there. Okay, Gauri, please brief that. Essence is animals in which sense? What is
Sir,
animals?
which sense?
Animals means
Yes, sir.
anyway animals here.
Yes, sir. Once more, man.
Who told you put animals here?
No. That I said with which sense they have.
Uh, Animals. Okay, what sense animals have? I don't know, man. Okay, let it be. Maybe under something or some other sense will be there. Anyway, we are discussing about human beings here, right? So, Gauri, please brief this. Come on, fast.
At the 1956, the government passed an act that Sinhala should be the official language.
But what about 1948?
Sinhala emerged as an independent state.
1948.
Sri Lanka emerged as an independent state.
Okay, good.
At 1956, there was an act passed that Sinhala should be recognized as the official language, and the government followed many provincial policies like giving them many positions in university and government jobs. And they shall foster Buddhism, and this increased
Here, foster means give more importance. Okay, or develop. Okay, that's what foster. Come on.
And this increased the alienation feeling among the Sri Lankan Tamils.
Okay, so all these rules that made by the government that made the Tamilians alienated. Okay, they felt that they are not the part of the society. Okay, they are came from some other area, so the government is not that interested to deal with them or listen their problems. Okay, that's what alienated. Okay, come on.
After the Sri Lankan Tamils launched many political parties and struggles for recognition Tamil as an official language, equality for opportunity.
So that is after 1980s, right? 1980. That year is important. 1980. Okay. Now I can see only few people here. Abin Thompson is there. Rai is there. Navneet is here. Nabil is there. Gautam, Eva, George, Sean. All other cameras are off. Now Melita came and went.
Mia.
Come on, fast.
Private days on.
Okay. Fisan's video is on here. No. Okay. Come on, fast. Gauri, continue. So basically, yeah. Come on.
Then in 1980s, there were many political parties were formed and demanding an Tamil Elam state.
Tamil Elam, new Tamil state. Okay.
In northern and eastern parts of Sri Lanka.
Okay. Then?
There were distrust between two communities, and this turned into a conflict, and this turned into a civil war. And this,
so what is a civil war?
It is a violent conflict between two social groups that within a country that it happens like to be a war.
Okay.
And this ended in 2009.
Okay, fine. So that will not mention. Okay, we will discuss that. Okay, come on. Please write down the question. The official religion of Sri Lanka is dash. The official religion of Sri Lanka is dash.
Sir, we take this yesterday, no?
The official religion of Sri Lanka is dash. Right or not? Yesterday,
Sir.
right or not?
I think Muslim and Christian.
No, sir.
Maybe not what I think. Okay, please write down. Please write down. The official religion of Sri Lanka is dash. The official religion of Sri Lanka is dash. What is the answer? Jesslyn, Miss Jesslyn, A123 Jesslyn Irimpan. Can you hear me? Yeah, answer is correct, Miss
Yes, sir.
Tania.
Sir, I can hear you.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Okay. So answer Atulya. Okay. Correct. Correct.
Sir.
Correct. Shania Simon, one more time, please check that question. Shania, myself, I asked not the language but the religion. Okay. The official religion. Yeah, correct. Okay, now it's okay. The official religion of Sri Lanka is Eva George. What is the answer? Eva George.
Sir.
What is the answer? What is the official religion of Sri Lanka?
Sir, I think
Lashminanda, the question is official, religion, okay, not the language, religion, official religion. Repeating the question, the official religion of Sri Lanka. Eva George. No answers from Eva George. Lashminanda says Tamil and Sri Lankan seems. Official religion of Sri Lanka.
official religion. Sir, Hindu.
Hindu.
Muslim.
Buddhism.
This Buddhism. Okay, Buddhism. Okay, they are Buddhist. So the official religion of Sri Lanka is Buddhism. Okay, clear. How? How?
How that Buddhism?
Next question.
I have a
What
doubt.
was the percentage of Sinhala speaking population? After this, I can ask. 1 minute. What is the percentage of Sinhala speaking population in Sri Lanka? Sinhala speaking population in Sri Lanka. What is the percentage of Sinhala speaking population in Sri Lanka? Correct. Okay. What is the answer? Yeah. It is 74. So journalist Atulya. Okay. Alnaros, the answer is correct. 74. Okay.
Sir, that Buddhism they will do one in a bowl they will do, like they will do that one meditation one thing.
Fisan, we dropped that. Okay. Now we are in
Sir, that one thing like that. Sir said that M4 Tech one video no? And that is Buddhism that one.
M4 Tech and power sharing. What is the relation?
Sir, one video. No. One bowl then they will do one with the stick
Let
like
M4 Tech make Black Forest cake. They will cut the glass. Okay. Okay. They are doing prawns biryani. Let them do that. Okay. Come back to our class. Okay. So come back. So next one. Find out the incorrect option. Find out the incorrect option. Okay. Here, incorrect option. Clear?
Question one, sir.
Find the incorrect option. I'm going to say some options for you people, and you have to find the incorrect one. Okay. Rachel Boban, any problem? Okay. So Shania Simon, what is that? IR? Shania. Okay. Sir, tell me, Shania, tell me.
Sir, can you repeat seventh question?
Question repeating there. Find out the incorrect option, right?
No, sir.
Before that, what is the percentage of the Sinhala speaking population in Sri Lanka? What is the percentage of the Sinhala speaking population in Sri Lanka? That is 74. Okay, answer is 74. Okay, next one, find the incorrect option. Option A, Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country in the year 1958. Write down. Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country in 1958. 1958.
Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country
in 1958. If the statement is correct, Is this statement is correct?
No, sir.
No,
No,
no.
no, correct.
Okay, so we know that it is a 1948. Correct. Okay, so that is an incorrect option. Next one. Next option B. Belgium has a population of a little over 1 crore. Belgium has a population of a little over 1 crore.
Option B.
Option B. Belgium has a population of a little over 1 crore.
Belgium of a
Of a little
little
over 1 crore.
little over 1 crore,
About half of the population of Haryana.
or of half of the
Population of Haryana.
population of
Haryana.
Haryana.
Haryana. Haryana. Okay. What about this statement? Is this statement is correct? Is this statement correct? Yes, correct. Okay. So answer is the first one, option A, right? Okay. So next question, 16. Sorry, next question. Several government measures adopted in Sri Lanka. Several government measures adopted in Sri Lanka. Several government measures adopted in Sri Lanka. Adopted in Sri Lanka. Adopted in Sri Lanka. Gradually increased. GRADUALLY. Gradually increased. Gradually increased the dash among Sri Lankan Tamils. Gradually increase the dash among the Sri Lankan Tamils. The dash among the Sri Lankan Tamils. Okay, I will say the options. I will say the options. Okay, number of people, they already sent that answer. Correct. Okay, answers are correct. Okay, so write the options, please. Option A, favoritism. 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 FAVORITISM.
Sir,
Favoritism.
once more.
Favoritism. FOVORITISM. Option B, feeling of alienation. Feeling of alienation. Feeling of alienation. 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 Option C, yeah, the correct answer. Subordination. 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 Option D, protests. Option D, protests. Tell me the answer. Alienation. Okay. Answer is the feeling of alienation. The feeling of alienation, right? Come on, all of you write down. The feeling of alienation. The answer is correct. The feeling of alienation. Okay. So the Tamil people, they felt that they are alienated. Clear. Rachel Boban, you got that? Yes. Okay. What about Sowell Jason? Your camera is off, Sowell Jason. Sowell Jason, Emerin. Turn on the camera. Shania, Jesslyn, Minha, Anaj MS. Okay. Next one. No need to write that. Okay, just tell me the answer. A warlike conflict between two opposite groups within a country is called. Alisha Shaji, what is the answer? Alisha. Alisha. The question is, a warlike conflict between two opposite groups within a country is called dash. Alisha. Alisha, are you there? Okay, number of students, they already sent that answer. Okay. Who are they? Yeah. This Srihari, Noble, Shania. Shania, civil war. It is civil war. The answer is civil war. Okay, so what is the problem, Shania? Which question you are asking? The question just before this one. I mean, several government measures adopted in Sri Lanka gradually increase the feeling of alienation. Okay, that's it. Clear. Okay, so Shania, I cannot say number 8, 7 or something like that because I am choosing the question from the book, basically related with that particular topic. Okay, so myself, there is no numbers. Okay, so please.
Sir, I missed. Sir,
Ah,
sir,
tell me.
sir, I missed the fourth question.
So
Fourth
this
question
one.
I didn't
This
heard
one.
clearly.
Find out the incorrect option. Okay. Option
The
A.
fourth one, no, that I
Sri
didn't
Lanka
heard clearly.
emerged as an independent country in 1958. Okay. Option B. Belgium has a
Sir,
population
no,
of
no,
little
sir, can
over
you-
1 crore, about half of the population of Haryana. Is that correct, Shania?
Sir,
Listen
can
one
you
minute,
send
listen
this
1 minute.
in WhatsApp?
I will send all these things.
I
No
missed
problem.
some.
Okay. Okay, fine. No problem. Okay.
Sir, now sixth one, no.
Okay. No, now as per Shania, it's 8th question. Okay, next one.
Fifth one, no.
Okay, here is the question. The Sri Lankan Tamils demanded, 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 the Sri Lankan Tamils demanded an independent state with the name of, an independent state with the name of, an independent state with the name of, Sainajino, what will be that name?
Independent Tamil Eelam.
Very good. Independent Tamil Eelam. Okay, the answer is Independent Tamil Eelam. Independent Tamil Eelam, a separate state for Tamil speaking people. Okay, Independent Tamil Eelam. So repeating the question, the Sri Lankan Tamils demanded an independent state with the name of the Independent Tamil Eelam. Independent Tamil Eelam. Okay. Okay, we'll write one more question. One more question. Write on. Okay, otherwise no need. Okay, so the question is already repeated, not needed. Okay, so listen carefully. So for the next day, today we discussed about what is that? The Sri Lanka. Okay, the problem of Sri Lanka and what happened in Sri Lanka. We discussed that. Okay, so the Sri Lankan government was a failure to solve the problem between two different groups. Clear? So it is a democratic government, but failed to solve the problem. Clear? Okay, so they don't know how to share the power. Okay, they failed in or failed related with the technique called power share. Power sharing. Clear? Noble Anil, what happened? Yawning there. Noble Anil. Okay, so that's it. So now we want to read about Belgium. Okay, how Belgium government solved that ethnic problem. Okay, clear? And power sharing. Power sharing. These two topics you should read for the next political science class. Okay, and we will discuss. I mean, read that particular area, particular topic in the classroom, and I will give you a number of questions. Okay, and we will finish that. Okay, at the same time, so far what we completed or the revision. Okay, we completed the revision for Sri Lanka, the problem in Sri Lanka, or what happened in Sri Lanka, the problem in Belgium. Okay, such kind of things also want to read, and maximum one-word answers you have to find from that area. Okay, number of questions I already provided. If anybody is able to find out a new question, definitely you will get a reward for that. Okay, clear or not? I already told you. What reward? Okay, one chocolate and the wrapper for you, chocolate for me. Okay, that's what the reward for you. Wrapper for you, chocolate for me. Okay, so please find out new questions from that particular topic. Okay, if it is available, please send that to me. Definitely you will get a reward. Okay, okay, guys, thank you. We will meet in the next session. Bye.